One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Here he goes. Here he goes again. I haven't done a video in a while, so said I'm gonna rhyme. So when am I gonna rhyme? I'm gonna do it this lunchtime. Yo, just a quick freestyle, plain and simple. I checked my face this morning. I didn't see any pimples. Praise God. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yo, IKE, that's me. Simple like one, two, three. I told you I rep God. I speak the truth, no LIE. And I say this from my heart. I want you to get to the T.O.P. I'm going to pray for you right now. Help them, God. Help them, God. See, he heard me. See you at the top. See you at the T.O.P. These bars are coming every day. I gotta go now. Remember, my name is EK. Ciao.